You're gonna put me on one of them Jackass videos.
Yep.
Ready, set, roll.
It's been rolling.
Hey guys, our dad is a.
That's where the first one landed.
Hey guys, our dad's about to do Mentos and Diet Coke in a balloon, and then he's gonna do Mentos and Diet Coke in the thing. Hopefully you enjoy and subscribe to our channel. He has to be fast and steady.
Oh
This is
God.
going on your channel too.
Is there Mentos in there?
That's the way I did it.
Okay. Throw it! Daddy! Dad, throw it! Wait, the Mentos in there?
That's not what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to drop in the whole bottle of soda.
No, what the
Did you use Diet Coke?
This is more fun. No, it's regular soda.
I thought you were supposed to use Diet.
Wait, Daddy, is there Mentos in there?
In there.
Right?
No, now it's got nowhere to go.
It should just get bigger and bigger and bigger.
Well, his was not tight. It was just around the soda bottle.
Untie it.
No.
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 Watch it explode.
Stop.
You need more, Daddy. Put like
think
50
you need Diet
Mentos in
Soda.
there.
You gotta,
Huh?
you gotta drop the whole pack of Mentos in the soda bottle and it just shoots up.
The whole pack?
Yes.
It's a waste.
It's squirting.
Pop.
It didn't pop, it squirt.
What a bust.
Put it in the soda bottle, Uncle Brian.
I need Nutella.
You don't even need to tell you. Just drop the whole pack of Mentos into the soda bottle and it shoots like a knife.
Yeah, do it.
Drop the
Waste
whole
of Mentos.
It had like 4 holes in it, but it just popped. It was just shooting out of like everything.
Did you put Mentos in your mouth?
He's eating one.
That's what I thought you were going to do was just dump
What
it
are
in
you
the
doing?
soda
Hold
bottle.
it.
Hold the thing. He's putting it in there. Oh
Like,
God.
Put the soda on the ground.
And then
Aiming
flip it
away
upside
from
down,
me.
right?
Put the soda on the ground. Drop the Mentos and let it go.
That's what I needed. I need more firepower.
I told you.
Okay, now I went too fast.
Now drink it.
I'm gonna die of sugar shock.
Put more Mentos in there.
Dad, put even more.
Yeah, I'll drink it.
I'll drink
Sugar
it.
girl.
Let me taste it.
I've seen them though where they
It's
shoot
flat.
up like 50 feet in the air. But I could never get mine to shoot very
It's just the outer layer that does it. The Mentos are still in there, but the outer layers are gone.
Or see where they throw the cap on it real quick and flip it upside down, and I guess it shoots off like a rocket.
I didn't have time to do that.
I don't got time for
That would
that.
have been on World's Dumbest.
Dad, can you do that again?
No, I'm on a soda.
Yeah,